Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study your NCLEX book. First, familiarize yourself with the exam blueprint to know what topics are covered. Next, establish a realistic study schedule, dedicating specific times each day or week. It's also helpful to understand your personal learning style, whether you're a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner. Finally, ensure you have all your study resources, including your primary NCLEX review book, before you begin. To study effectively, actively engage with the material by highlighting and taking brief notes on important points. Don't just passively read. Use active recall techniques such as creating flashcards or quizzing yourself regularly. Try explaining difficult concepts out loud to a friend or even to yourself. This solidifies your understanding. Remember to break down larger chapters into smaller, more digestible sections to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Incorporating practice questions is crucial for NCLEX success. Don't wait until the end. Integrate them into your daily study routine. Always review the rationales for every question, whether you answered correctly or incorrectly, to understand the reasoning. Periodically, take full-length, timed practice tests to simulate the actual exam environment. Pay special attention to question types or content areas where you consistently struggle. Consistent review is key to long-term retention. Regularly revisit topics you've already covered to keep the information fresh in your mind. Actively identify your weak areas through practice questions and dedicate focused study time to improve them. Make good use of your book's summary sections and chapter reviews for quick refreshers. Remember to stay positive and ensure you're also taking care of your well-being throughout this process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.